Wow, 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 wow. What a performance from a Treble Clark Wine and the New Wine Band. Entrepreneur, web developer, teacher, writer, designer. He's everything, isn't he? Jerry Valentine juggles many hats, but he has a particular passion for creating unique, handcrafted, and artisan items, 100% made in Jamaica. He joins us to talk about the benefits of developing a skill. We're talking about some Boadhaus this morning. Jerry, how are you doing?
Well, I'm doing good enough. Thank you for having me.
It's awesome having you. I read out a long list. Entrepreneur who's trained in teaching and web development. So how did we transition to wood?
Well, we didn't really transition, you know. It's always been a hobby of mine, making things from wood. COVID had a lot of time on my hands. So, you know, what was a hobby just kind of escalated from there. Yeah,
hobby, but so technically done. Like, Jerry, if this is my hobby, them never gonna look so good. So where did you learn to do this?
Mostly in my backyard.
Like self-taught?
Yes, for the most part, yes.
What? You're joking?
Yeah, man. With YouTube nowadays, you know, books and stuff like that.
University,
you can pretty much teach yourself anything.
Yeah, well, not really, because I could have watched like 10 YouTube channels. It would never look like this. So what are some of the various, and we're seeing them here, the various types of pieces that you create?
Well, I primarily focus on boxes, gift boxes. This is a keepsake box. This is a liquor box, a watch box. So, you know, of course, because it's what is usually a variation of a square or, you know, oblong. So we also do coasters, we do key rings, we do notebooks.
Yes.
So if it can be made from wood, I think eventually, I'll be making it.
Wow, and this is a nice little thing. People come and Clive will tell me not to touch it. So, I can't touch it after them look on it? Yeah.
They can?
Yes. So you have your nice little drink board and thing.
There's a map of Kingston, laser engraved on it. Laser engraved on it.
So tell me about that part then now to Jerry, because after having it's on it here. Oh, Soldier Bulgy. I'm going to lift up the big one so you can see it in a Soldier. So tell me, what inspires the work? Because after I done craft this, you know, I don't even know how I would have gone to laser up Kingston and all them things.
You know, a lot of it is just stuff I want to make.
Wow.
You know, I get a piece of board and I start work with it, and sometimes the board is still the direction it want to go.
Look at that, guys. Almond Town, Red Town, nice.
Yeah.
The board tells you where it wants to go.
Yeah, for the most part.
Oh, wow. So, all right, so let's see. So, how does your experience as a designer aid in the creative process?
You know, it's funny, I try to kick it out the window.
Really?
Yes. You know, I spent so many years working on a computer.
Yeah.
One of the things I like about I kind of just leave that out the window and just focus on
making all aspects work.
Talking to the wood and see what happens.
It's interesting because sometimes people say, listen, don't do so many things, man. Find the thing you're good at and focus on that and work on that. And then there's another school of thought that if you have your talents, just explore them all. What do you say to people who they want to do multiple things, but they're just afraid to do it?
I think they should do it.
Yeah.
How will you know what you really like until you try? And then the other thing is, as you go through life, you go through different stages. And what you like at 20 is not what you like at 25 or at 30 and 35. So my thing, embrace the change.
Embrace the change. What does this do for you? I mean, because I feel like different types of creative processes does different things to people. What does the woodwork do for you?
It calms my mind. You know, it's what I do when I want to relax.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very natural process because you're dealing with a natural material. And each piece is unique, it's different because the material is different.
That's what I'm realizing. So let's talk about that, because the notebook, I don't know how you move from a notebook to a wine case to a watch case. How do you...
I just make things
that I would like. Some different watch case in a different color.
I just make things that I would like. I just like a lot of the things I make, I use.
Yeah.
You know, and that's how I created my own catalog. You know, I make something, I put it up. People seem to like it. So, well, this probably can do good in the marketplace, and really that's pretty much.
And that's how it started. Yes. Wow. So if someone's watching and they say, no, I like that wine case, but I want something bigger, more like 3 bottles of wine all in the one case. You custom make stuff?
Within reason.
Okay.
I have a catalog on my website.
Oh, okay.
I will customize what's in my catalog.
Okay.
So if you know you want it a little bigger, a little smaller, that kind of thing. But we don't really do custom work like you have this
From
wonderful
scratch.
idea in your head. No.
Mr. Jerry, you know, I want one garage make out of wood when my car can just go parking.
Yeah.
You know, depend on
No.
So you say you have a catalog, that's what, on Instagram, social media?
On our website. We have our Instagram at Boadhaus, and our website is boadhaus.com. So our full catalog, everything here is on the website. You can go online and just purchase. And we deliver to you in a couple of days.
Yeah, it's so clean and sleek. Is that your style?
I would like to say that, you know, but
that look like it's a web developer coming out and this, you know.
Kinda, no, but if you know, there's a design school out of Germany, Boadhaus Design. If you know, the Haus in Boadhaus is really German for house.
Yes.
And it's that school of design which emphasizes clean lines, you know, simplicity and functionality. That's the kind of aesthetic that drives my work.
Yeah, it's right in time for this season. A gift made from wood is such a solid thing, long lasting. And this is Jamaican. What type of wood do you use? Do you change it up or a specific type?
Well, I really like Blue Maho.
Yes.
Which is this one, and I like Spanish Elm, which is this one and that one.
Yes.
So it depends, you know. But the cool thing is, because you can engrave personalization, putting a name on something, you know, which actually ties it to the user so much more. So yes.
And what I like about it is that you get the natural texture of the wood.
Yes, I don't use varnishing or anything like that. It's all a natural finish that I use.
I realize. And the Maho and the Spanish Elm is great for that. Once again, where do we find you, Jerry?
Boadhaus.com or at Boadhaus on Instagram.
B-O-A-D, by the way. See it there? Boadhaus. Take out the R and you'll find him. Before I go, I gotta say a very, very, very big shout out to Adeline Stewart, who's celebrating 91 years today, coming from Tiffany, Carol, Andrew, and the Reed family with so much love. 91? Oh, you're a blessing. Happy birthday. Thank you. And thank you for my notebook.
You're welcome.
Marvin, I'm going to write down some secrets, but I'm going to write down the Smile Jamaica secrets in this book. Right? We'll soon come. Great work, Jerry. Love it. Love it. Artisan and owner. Yeah, the Minister that already Clive of Boadhaus, Jerry Valentine. After the break, we discussed the issue of access to Bob Marley Beach with Devon Taylor and Dr. Marcus Goff. We'll soon come.